Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique,
where we break down the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make the right choice. Today, we're diving into the iconic world of turntables with the Technics SL-1200GR2.
Let's spin this review. Now, if you're into audio gear, you've probably heard of Technics.
They're renowned for their quality, and the SL-1200 series is practically legendary. But is the SL-1200GR2 worth the hype?
Let's find out.
First up, let's talk features. The SL-1200GR2 is a direct drive turntable with a 230mm S-shaped tone arm. But what sets it apart are the DJ-friendly touches, like the pitch control and the stroboscope for accurate cueing.
Plus, that stop-start button. Instantaneous. Now, onto the design.
The SL-1200GR2 is a classic. It's built like a tank, with a sleek all-silver finish. And weighing in at 11.5 kilograms, this thing means business.
It's a timeless look that fits in anywhere.
Setting up the SL-1200GR2 is a breeze, despite what the manual might suggest.
Once you've got it level and chosen your cartridge, you're good to go. Just watch out for that slightly finicky tone arm lift. But let's get to the heart of the matter, sound quality.
And let me tell you, the SL-1200GR2 delivers. It's a direct, articulate listen that brings out the best in your records. From deep, punchy lows to crisp, detailed highs, it's a joy to listen to. So, should you buy the Technics SL-1200GR2? If you appreciate timeless design, rock-solid build quality, and exceptional sound, then absolutely.
But remember, it's not the only option out there.
Consider your needs and budget carefully. And that's a wrap on our review of the Technics SL-1200GR2.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews. Until next time, happy spinning!